Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop here at Flat 6 Motorsports. I'm Ivan. We have Project 992 in the shop today, and what we're gonna do is show you a simple mod that you can do right at home. Let's get to it. So one of the first mods that a lot of people do to their vehicle is changing out their air filter. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna change out the factory air filters for these BMC air filters. Now BMC, we've used it for quite a while in a lot of different project cars. Porsche actually puts these in their brand new GT3 RSs, and the 918 Spyders come from the factory with these filters. Now they are reusable, you can clean them when they're ready to go, so when it's time to replace your factory air filters, this is a great modification to put in there. Flows a little bit better, makes some cool noises, so we're gonna show you how to take care of that today. So the 992 is a little bit different than all the previous 911s before it, in that the air filter is now located behind the rear wheels in the wheel well. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and pull this rear wheel off, and we'll be able to get access to it. Now for those of you doing this at home, you're gonna wanna have to jack it up, using the jack and jack stands, be safe. We do have these handy dandy jack pad adapters, that way you don't damage the undercarriage while you're jacking it up. So let's go ahead and pull this wheel off, and we'll get on to the next step. So now that we have the rear wheel removed, next thing we need to do is remove the rear section of the wheel well liner, and that's done by a couple of T25 screws and one 10mm plastic nut here. So now that we have the wheel well liner out, next thing we're gonna have to do is go ahead and take these two T25 screws out of the airbox. Once you have the T25 screws out of the assembly, you're gonna undo these two little tabs right here. Might take a little bit of effort to unclip them. Once those are unclipped, you just use the handle on the bracket, and you can pull the air filter right out of the vehicle. All right, so now that we have the air filter cartridge out of the vehicle, as you can see, it's pretty simple to replace. We just go ahead and pop it out of the bracket, pull one out, new one in, and she just slides right in place. And that's pretty much it. Now she's ready to be put back into the vehicle, and we'll get her back out on the ground and take her for a drive. And that's it. Pretty simple job. Once we got it on the ground, we're now gonna go ahead and torque the wheels down to 118 foot-pounds or 160 Newton-meters, whichever scale you use. And that's pretty much it. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and check us out on flat6.com for any of your Porsche needs. Thanks for watching.